Have you ever wondered how to ignite that spark of entrepreneurial spirit within you while still keeping your day job? Today, we delve into the world of side hustles, opportunities that can provide an additional income stream and perhaps even lead to full-time ventures. First on our list, freelance writing. In this digital age, content is king. Companies constantly need fresh, engaging content for their websites, blogs, and social media accounts. If you have a way with words, offering your services as a freelance writer could be a profitable venture. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr can help you get started, connecting you with clients who need your skills. Next up, graphic design. If you've got an eye for aesthetics and a knack for creating visually appealing designs, this side hustle might be for you. You can create logos, brochures, social media graphics, and more. Websites like 99 Designs are a great place to showcase your talents and find clients. Thirdly, consider online tutoring. If you're an expert in a particular subject or skill, why not share your knowledge with others? From academic subjects to musical instruments, there's a demand for online tutors in virtually every field. Websites like tutor.com and Chegg Tutors make it easy to connect with students worldwide. Fourth on our list is affiliate marketing. This involves promoting a company's products or services and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral. It's a great way to earn passive income, especially if you have a blog or website with a substantial following. Platforms like Amazon Associates offer robust affiliate programs. Lastly, consider starting a dropshipping business. This involves selling products online, but without the need to keep inventory or handle shipping. You simply list a supplier's product on your online store, and they handle the rest once a sale is made. Shopify and Oberlo are platforms that can help you get started with dropshipping. Each of these side hustles offers a unique opportunity to earn extra income, hone new skills, and perhaps even ignite a full-fledged entrepreneurial journey. Starting a side hustle requires time, dedication, and a willingness to learn. But with the right mindset and resources, you can turn your entrepreneurial dreams into reality. To further your learning, consider reading books like Side Hustle: From Idea to Income in 27 Days by Chris Guillebeau or The $100 Startup, also by Chris Guillebeau. Websites like sidehustleschool.com offer a wealth of information and resources to help you get started. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Start your side hustle journey today, and who knows where it might lead you tomorrow.